Welcome. This is 10-minute morning yoga stretch. So be seated on the mat with your eyes closed. Take a moment to come into the present moment, where you can be one with body and mind onto your mat. Slowly open your eyes. Bring your hands up over your head. Interlock your fingers. Give a good stretch to the body. Exhale. Hands down onto your knees. Begin to rotate your neck. Easy movements. Other way around. Now bring the chin towards the right, towards the left, in your own pace, slow and easy movements. Back to the center, and now ear going towards the shoulder. Forward and back. Interlock your fingers. Rotate your shoulders. Other way around. Rotate your back and spine. The circle smaller or bigger, or even bigger. Do in your own pace, find what feels the best. Slowly stop. Now bring your left hand onto the left knee, right hand back, an easy twist. To the left side, right hand on the left knee, left hand back. Back to the center. You will repeat this one more time. Right side, back to the center, left side, back to the center. Now bring your right hand on the ground, left arm going up. With exhale, stretching the side, keeping the hips on the ground. Back to the center, repeating the same on the other side. Inhale, right hand comes up, and exhale, stretch to the right body, keeping the hip on the ground. Back to the center, we will do that one more time. Inhale, exhale, back to the center, right side, inhale, exhale, back to the center, close your eyes, becoming aware of the body and seeing the gentle stretches, how they are helping. Be ready for the tabletop. Your hands under the shoulder, knees under the hips. Cat stretch onto your spine by bringing your head up, arching your back, hips up. With exhale, rounding up the back, chin towards the chest. You can do that in your own pace, slow or fast. See what feels the best. Now come back into the Vajrasana onto your knees. Open your knees. Bring your hands on the ground and stretching your back all the way down. If possible, touch your forehead on the ground, or else use a yoga block. Slowly come back, stretch your legs. Bring your back straight, hands on the thighs, chest out. With each breath you exhale, go forward. Slowly, slowly, slowly. You only want to do a small stretch each time so that you can stretch your body progressively without hurting. Back to the center, join the sole of the feet together, hold with your hands, shake your knees. Now stop the knees and with exhalation, slowly bend forward. Come back up, Stretch your legs out and shake them. Lie down and relax. Becoming aware of the body, becoming aware of the mind, seeing how they have been changed, how they have been improved. Body is feeling stretched, warmed up, and mind may be thinking less.